Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Power BI Gateway for on-prem data, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions to install and configure the Power BI Gateway. Download the latest version of the Power BI Gateway from. Run the installer on your on-premises server where you want to set up the gateway. Follow the prompts in the installation wizard until you reach the configuration options. Select either On-Premises Data Gateway for standard use or On-Premises Data Gateway, Personal Mode, for personal reports. After choosing your gateway type, click Next to proceed. Sign in with your Power BI account credentials when prompted. Choose the type of authentication you wish to use, either Azure Active Directory or Windows Authentication. Complete the installation by clicking Install and wait for the process to finish. Once installation is complete, launch the Power BI Gateway application. In the application, sign in again with your Power BI credentials. After signing in, you will see a welcome screen reminding you to register your gateway. Click on the option to register a new gateway. Provide a name for your gateway and select the appropriate region. Confirm the settings and click Register to complete the process. Next, navigate to the Power BI service online. Go to the Settings section and select Manage Gateways from the menu. Here, locate your newly registered gateway. Click on it to open the gateway settings for configuration. Add data sources by selecting Add Data Source. Specify the type of data source you want to connect, such as SQL Server or Oracle. Fill in the required fields such as server name, database name, and authentication type. Test your connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once testing is successful, save the data source settings. Now, your gateway is ready to be used for scheduled refreshes and live connections. Return to your Power BI desktop for report development. Connect to your on-premises data using the gateway you just set up. Publish the report to the Power BI service to finalize the integration. You have successfully activated the Power BI Gateway for on-premises data. Now you can manage your data and report seamlessly between your local environment and the cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.